Skateboarder Margielyn Didal delivers the Philippines' fourth gold medal in the 2018 Asian Games. Flashing an arsenal of neat tricks, Didal ruled the women's skateboarding street event. The 19-year-old Cebuana's victory comes after the gold wins of Filipino female athletes Heidelin Diaz of weightlifting, golf's Yuka Saso, and the national women's golf trio of Saso, Bianca Pagdanganan, and Lois K. Go. Didal came off an impressive build-up of her first Asian Games appearance. She places 8th out of 12 in the street event of the prestigious X Games in Minneapolis last July. The Philippines moves up to 16th place in the medal tally and matches the best Asiad gold haul since 2006.